back to our channel Learn with Sahira. Students, in this video I am going to give you a quick revision of BCS, Basic Computer Skills. In few hours you are having the examination. I hope that you people are perfect with the BCS, read all the questions, all the concepts, all the topics, covered the whole syllabus. I hope you have watched my paper pattern presentation and damn sure important questions video and also whole subject explanation video. So anyways, if you didn't watch this video, this video is really very useful and helpful for you because this is last minute revision. Okay, so listen to me carefully. If you don't understand, watch the video again, but listen to me carefully and watch the video till end. By watching this video, your revision will be completed. Okay, so let us start. As you all know that you are having two parts, only 1.5 hour examination will be there. 1 hour 30 minutes. In my previous video I said 2 hours because in some cases there are the chances to give 2 hours because 5th semester students were having 2 hours. But no issues, if you have 1.5 hour here, you can manage the time and write perfectly. First go with the part B. After completing the part B, you come to part A because part A will consist of only 10 marks, short answers that are. So that is why you go to the part B, manage the time and write. So without wasting any time, let us get started. Let us give a quick revision of BCS. First and foremost is computer. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic device which is used to perform arithmetic as well as logical calculations. Okay, you can say that it is an electronic device. It is a machine which is used to perform the calculations. Either it may be arithmetic or logical. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all the calculations will be performed by the computer. It is an electronic device. You can create your own words, you can create your own sentences and you can prolong the answer. Okay, next, after computer characteristics, or you can say features. Features. What are the features? Already I have explained you in the whole subject explanation video. What are the features? Accuracy, accurate results will be there without mistakes. Speed is there. Comparing to the human, speed will be very fast of the computer. It will perform the calculations very quickly. And what else? Versatility is there and diligence is there. Versatility is nothing but at the same time it can perform number of tasks. Diligence, it will not get tired. Means like human beings, if we do some work, what will happen? We will get tired. In the same way, the computer will not get tired. It will perform number of tasks, whatever the task we give to the computer. What else? It is user friendly. All the people can use the computer. Small kid, younger, elder, older, anyone can use the computer. Like that characteristic. Storage capacity will also be there. Primary, secondary devices to store the data will be there. Like that you can write in your own words, but just to keep the subheadings, give a brief explanation. Subheadings, give a brief explanation. Many of the students asked me, ma'am, shall we write in the points or in the paragraphs? No, ma, you have to write in the paragraphs itself. If you want to mention the points like examples or anything like that, you can mention in the points, but answer should be in paragraph only. Got my point? Then these are the characteristics or the features. Then you have generations. How many generations you are having, children? Students, sorry, I should not say children, it seems. Okay, generations. How many generations have students? 5 generations. First, in the first generation, the computer components were vacuum tubes. Second, transistors, integrated circuits, long or large integrated circuits, artificial intelligence. In this generation, no need to worry, you can just compare one generation to the other generation. Compare second generation with first generation, compare third generation with second, fourth with third, fifth with fourth. Like that you have to compare and you have to write the examples of that computers. And also you have to mention in first generation heat used to be produced very much, electricity consumption was very much. Comparing to the second generation, first generation, what happened? Second generation have produced less heat, usage of electricity became less. Like that you have to write. Their punched card paper tapes were used for memory. Here what it used to be, magnetic tapes were used. Like that you have to compare one generation to the other generation and you have to write electricity and what else? Electricity and that what are the components that are same. Okay, accuracy. Electricity, accuracy, and that components are same to all the generations. Components you just remember, vacuum tubes, transistors, like that you remember. Electricity same, just compared to one. Accuracy, results, first generation less accurate results, then second generation the efficiency have increased, like that you have to write in these generations. Fourth, what you are having, computer features, generations, then you have types or kinds or classification. They may ask you types of computers, kinds of computer, or classification of computer. You have to just write supercomputers, which are the very biggest of all the computers which are ever made by human being, that are really very expensive. Supercomputers are the first computers, very expensive and very biggest of all, and that are used by the countries to forecast the weather, for defense, for nuclear power, like that you have to write. Then you have a mainframe computer. Here mainframe is also very big, but comparing to the supercomputer, mainframe is small and less expensive, only comparing to supercomputer. Then macrocomputer is there, microcomputer is there, laptops. Do you know laptops? Laptops are portable. You can carry the laptop from here to there, whenever we want, wherever we want, like that. Personal computers or desktops, it is kept on a desk, that is why desktop name came. PC, why it is PC? Because we use these type of computers for our personal use or the office use, so that are known as the personal computers. You have to write like that. And what else? Mobile phone is also one type of computer. You can mention mobile phone also, like that you have to write the types. Write in paragraph only, heading paragraph. If you want to mention any examples or like that, you have to write the points, but the answer should not be in the points. Then after components, what are the components, children? Input, output, computer. Yes, yesterday I said you input, computer, output. This is input. Here memory will be there. Control unit, arithmetic and logical unit, output. Sorry. Yes or no? So input is nothing but what we are giving inside a computer. What are our commands? What is our need? We will be texting some text that we want something from the computer, no? So whatever we are sending into the computer is known as input. What this input unit will do, you know? Our language, human language, it will transfer or it will convert the human understandable language to the computer understandable language. We will use English, Telugu, Hindi, like that number of languages we will be using. But computer don't understand that languages. So what this unit will do? It will convert our language to the computer understandable language and it will send into it. Here processing will happen. Processing will happen. Again, what will happen? It will get stored in the memory and control unit will control all the processes. Arithmetical logical unit is used to do the arithmetic and logical calculations. Then after processing, after storing, what will happen? It will come outside in the form of output. Output is nothing but what we need after converting, after processing. This output unit will change computer understandable language to user understandable language, so that we can get to the perfect output what we are needing. Okay, what we need. Okay, so this is what input unit will be there, arithmetical, logical, memory, control unit, processing, output, all will be there in the components. Then what do you have? Types, generations, types, kinds. Then you have input, output. Already we have discussed, no, input devices, and we will have devices now. Input devices are nothing but the devices which are used to give the input from us to the computer. Okay, the devices which are used to give the input from us human beings to the computer. Input devices, main common input devices are keyboard and mouse. Yes or no? Keyboard is helped or used to give the text into the computer. Yes or no? We will be pressing 2 here. So on the monitor 2 will come. We will be pressing S here. Learn with Sahira. If we press on the keyboard, what will happen? It will be displayed on the monitor. Yes or no? Like that. Keyboard is used. Many number of keyboards are there, but the standard computer keyboard will have only 104 keys. Like that. Mouse is a pointer device. It is used to point on the monitor, and the arrow thing which we can see on the computer like this, that is nothing but cursor. Okay, you have to write whatever you need. Then joystick, I have already said, that is used to play the games, or the joystick is used to control the cranes like that. And microphone, yes, microphone is used for audio means our voice notes. It will take our voice notes and it will give into the computer. Microphone are there. And what else? Barcode readers are there. Like that you have to write in input devices. Output devices means majorly printers, plotters, what else? Printers, plotters, and OMR reader. Okay, like that you have to write in output devices. Printers are nothing but that are used to print and text on a paper to have a hard copy. Plotters are nothing but which print a very large amount of data. Like that you have to write in output devices. Is that okay? Input devices and output devices. Speakers also will come under the output devices. Okay, OMR will come in input, output, speakers will come. Okay, so sixth one is also completed. Next we have storage. In storage, we have two types of storages: primary storage, secondary storage. Primary storage is the storage which is already present in the computer. Okay, so we no need to take the storage and inbuilt in the computer. This primary storage, primary, secondary. So primary storage is already present in the computer. In this we will be having RAM, ROM. Again in RAM, again we will be having types. ROM we will be having types. So you have to static, dynamic, EEPROM, like that we will be having EROM, EEROM, EEPROM. Like that we will be having inside it. Static, dynamic we will be having. You have to just give a quick reading revision mark. So in the primary storage, we will be having a data which can be refreshed. Okay, whenever the computer is switched off, whenever the computer is off, what will happen? All the data will be refreshed. But secondary devices, it is not. The data will be permanently stored. Secondary devices means nothing but pen drives, hard disks, SD cards, floppy disks, all that external devices which we are using to connect with the computer or with the electronic devices are nothing but the secondary devices. These are the devices which are secondary. Okay, we will be using a pen drive, yes or no? We will be using hard disk to store the photos or videos. So that are nothing but the secondary devices. You have to just give a quick reading. So this is all about the storage. Then you will be having again number system is also there, but if you want to leave number system you can. Okay, so what else you have? Input, output, storage, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Already I said you all the topics I have covered in the whole subject explanation video. Word is nothing but it is a software or it is an application which is used to create the documents, which is used to prepare the documents. Yes or no? In that we will be having many features like subscript, superscript, types of handwriting styles, highlighting the word, bold, italic writing, and what else? Numbering, bullet points, all that we can do in the MS Word. We can create a creative document in the MS Word. Excel, in this we will having rows and columns. This is used to perform the calculations in which we are having formulas. If we give that formula, all the calculations will be prepared. We can make the tables here, timetables, syllabuses, table type data and graphical data. All the data we can make in the Excel. PowerPoint is nothing but and software which is used to make videos. In this we will be having slides, 1 slide, 2 slide, 3 slide, 4 slide. After completing of 1 slide, second slide will come. After completing second slide, third slide will come. Like that, this is used to present the data. See, example, I am giving a seminar. What will happen? I will use that PowerPoint presentation and I will present my whatever I want. Okay, so this is all about MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint. What else you have, ma? So this is all it is about your basic computer skills, ma. I hope you understand. I think you have already watched my subject explanation video, whole subject explanation video, in which I have covered all the topics without reading, without remembering. If you watch that video completely, then for sure, damn sure, you can get good marks in your BCS examination. Anyways, all the best for your examination. After coming from the examination, you please share how was your exam, okay, how was your paper. Okay, so see you all in the next video. All the best. Bye bye.